The journey of India's Future Tycoons started with more than 3,000 students from across 50 cities in India, addressing sustainable development goals to support a brighter future.
India Future Tycoons is a great platform for student entrepreneurs for the future of themselves and for the coming students.
In 2020, double the number of India's young minds came together to tackle the problem of the water crisis. In 2021, despite a looming pandemic, 7,300 young minds engaged in bringing impactful change to India's education ecosystem.
We want all these 13 to 17-year-olds who are actually the product of education system to talk about how this can be changed, what are the transformations that can be brought in, and ultimately in order to prepare them for future, what is that needs to be done.
After 3 successful seasons, India's Future Tycoons Chapter 4 is here with an exciting new theme. The topic on fire is Social Techpreneurship Reimagining India. Grab the opportunity to claim a spot in the Hall of Fame as one of India's brightest young techpreneurs. Get mentored by an esteemed panel of top entrepreneurs and industry experts. Win seed funding up to 2 lakh rupees. Register today for India's Future Tycoons Season 4. Your ideas, our platform. The stage is set. Transform India with technology.